Imagine seamlessly sharing your screen and video in real time, just like magic today. We'll break down how to build an app with that power. Our journey begins with the backbone of live interaction real-time communication protocols for video and screen sharing. WebRTC is your go-to. It handles the direct peer-to-peer connection, enabling low-latency audio, video, and data transmission. But for managing these connections, we need signaling. This involves a server to help users find each other and exchange connection information. Think of it like a digital matchmaker. Next, let's talk about user experience. A clean and intuitive user interface is crucial. We'll need clear buttons for starting, ending video, muting audio, and initiating screen sharing. Visual cues for who's talking, their video quality, and the status of their connection should be readily apparent for screen sharing. A simple selection mechanism for the user to choose which window or entire screen to share is essential for ease of use. Now, let's bring it all together. The front-end application, built with your preferred framework, will manage the UI interactions when a user initiates a call. The UI communicates with the signaling server. The signaling server then helps establish a WebRTC connection between participants once connected. The application can capture the user's camera feed and the selected screen content and stream it directly to the other participant. Using WebRTC's data channels for screen sharing and media streams for video. To enhance collaboration, consider features like integrated chat for text communication, the ability to share files directly through the connection, and perhaps even annotation tools that can be used on the shared screen. These elements create a richer, more interactive environment, turning a simple video call into a powerful collaborative workspace. Building an app like this involves a deep dive into WebRTC specifics, robust signaling server architecture, and meticulous front-end development. The key is to ensure a stable, real-time connection that feels as natural as being in the same room.